How 10,000 customers took their loft from meh to yeah in 10 simple steps. Ever thought I'm desperately in need of space and then looked up at your loft hatch and wondered what if? Nah, me neither. But if you do, you'll be the same as 10,000 customers that we've created a loft storage space for over the past decade and a half. And this video will show you how in 10 simple steps. 1. Fill out a quick form and book a pre-survey call. 2. We have a quick chat, discuss your dreams and book your survey. 3. Our surveyor checks out your loft and voila, you get a quote. 4. Review your quote and ask plenty of questions. 5. You choose the options that work best for you and we'll sort an install date and deal with everything behind the scenes. 6. The day before your install, we'll give you a quick call to make sure everything's set for the big day. 7. You get a heads up with an ETA and the team sets about transforming your loft space. 8. Our quality control team reviews the work and signs off your install. 9. Wallop, your loft is transformed. We'll walk you through everything that's been done and make sure that you're totally happy. 10. As a bonus, we check in with you 3 months after the install and again at 12 months because we care. A lot. And that's it. 10 simple steps, thousands of happy customers and a loft that goes from meh to yeah. If you're ready to transform the biggest unused room in your property, start by requesting your quote today.